Music. Welcome to my Chebucto Community Net review. Find links to their plans and services below. In this video, we'll explore their features, target audience, and overall performance to see if CCN is right for you. Chebucto Community Net is a community-based non-profit internet provider dedicated to affordable, reliable internet access and digital inclusion. Unlike for-profit providers, CCN prioritizes community support, making it ideal for budget-conscious users and those valuing community-driven services. They offer dial-up, basic broadband, and email hosting, catering to users with modest connectivity needs. CCN's low-cost plans are perfect for those seeking an affordable way to stay connected. While speeds may not match fiber or cable providers, CCN is great for light internet use like browsing, email, and social media. Their robust email hosting provides a reliable platform for communication. CCN excels in serving rural and underserved areas where other providers lack coverage or affordability. They bridge the digital divide, ensuring access to essential online services. Their volunteer-driven model emphasizes local engagement and personalized customer support. CCN also champions digital literacy with educational programs to enhance online skills, making it a great choice for new users or those looking to improve. Chebucto Community Net offers a unique, affordable alternative for light internet users valuing community focus. If you prioritize accessibility and inclusion, CCN is definitely worth considering. Check the description for more details, and thanks for watching.